Alright guys, by the way, next in the comments below, tell me what we should make. Later in the video, we will be using these. These, if you're wondering, these are hats, these are bats, these are eyeballs, these are bones and balls, and this is pumpkins and grapes. Right there. You can see. So, now, I'm gonna take this. Yeah, take the eggs out real quick. Oh.
Simple things in life, isn't it? For me, you know?
Alright. Dad, can you help me? Can start to open. Can start to open. Alright. Now it's time to pour it in. Now the eggs. There we go. No shells. Make sure. Dad. There we go. Oh. These are so hard. Come on. That's more easy. Yeah, right there. It doesn't want to do it on a smooth surface. So, water. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, we got a new faucet. Alright, next, water. No, we should do the oil first. Pour it in. Ooh. That's not enough. Ooh. Set this off to the side. Next, big cup of water. Ooh. Here, hand me. Let me break down this chunk right here. Oh no, Dad. We should have got a bigger bowl. It's gonna be hard to mix. Dad, can you get a different bowl? It's hard to mix. Guys.
Keep doing that.
I'll be ease with it. I'll be ease. Already 3 minutes in the video. Oh, still some dry ingredients.
Oh, I'll give it a good mix before we put it in there. Look at the size of your bowl.
Oh. Oh, I still see more on the side. Gotta be very, and then give me it. Oh.
Alright, big dog.
good. Oh. Nice good old teaspoon.
It's a thick stuff.
That means I made it perfect. Ooh, yeah, guys.
Let me know when you're ready to let me know.
Alright guys, this is taking way too long. I'm going to pause the video. I will see you back when we put it in the oven. Is the video on? Alright guys. Time to put it, I move my place over. And how long does it need to cook?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes? And then how much to cool?
I don't know. We'll see.
10, let's just do 10. 10, 20 minutes. Alright guys, we're gonna put this in the oven now. It is time. Ugh. There we go. Alright. Alright guys, see you in the next part. Bye! Alright guys, we are back. Time for gotta put everything on though. My mom's icing. Here, let me try to do one.
Do it together.
Hey.
Hold on. Do it together. Stop.
The next one, can I do by myself?
No, let mommy help.
Aww.
We don't have that much icing.
By the end of Christmas, I'll do it by myself.
Okay.
Don't know if that would be enough. Alright guys, I'm gonna let my mom do all of them. It's gonna take a little bit. Alright guys, we are back. It's time to do. So, first of all, you know we got the eyeballs. Let's put those on. Let's see, which one should I put it on? Let me move this cupcake up. Oh no! Right there. Then, put in the eyeball! You guys can't really see it, but it looks funny. Put a witch hat. This is the fun part. Ooh. Guys, look.
I think you should have put it. Good job. Good job, Cooper. High five. Yeah, you should do.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do a grave.
Hold on.
What's this one? Hold on.
Guys. Oh no, my card.
Oh, it's good, boy. Mom can wash it.
Yeah, this is brand new. Spent $200 on my boots. Okay. Oh, hold on.
Even
You
I
know
know.
what you should do?
Even.
You should put this. And then make him cross-eyed. Then you should do. Sorry.
Guys, my brother made this one look.
I'm not done.
Oh. That's what it looks like.
Okay.
You can have this cupcake. Oh, hey, put it back.
Hey, look, show him.
This is what it looks like.
Look at that.
Alright, Avon, you can have this one.
That's mine.
Oh my god.
Gosh. Let me get a paper towel. Got it. Oh. I got you, Bubba.
Avon, can you pause it? Alright guys, this would be my finished product. Woo! Yeah! Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye!